Hello my lovelies, I'm Tyrese on the Tyrese Lynn channel and I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, we're going to be doing a Forever 21 unboxing and I'm going to be talking about how these items can be dressed up and down. We'll talk about the quality, if they're good or not so good, and then we're also going to be having some fun seeing how they fit on. So I'm going to model them for you. Before we get started though, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to follow Tyrese Lynn on Instagram, and if you have any questions or comments, you can also email me at tyreselynn3@gmail.com. Now that we have all of that out of the way, go grab a drink, a snack, and hurry back so we can get started. Look at this big old box. Let's start opening it up to see what's inside. Okay, so I have this first item. We'll start with one at a time, and it's a size medium. I'm so excited. Let's see what I got. Okay, the first item is this. Wow, look at this. Look at this leather skirt actually. This first item is a faux mini skirt in the color chocolate. I got the size medium. I like this zipper. It looks like it has nice hardware. The fabric looks nice, and it also has this hook and eye, which is great for keeping the fabric laying flat against the body and snug. I like that it also has this cute slit for the thigh, so it gives a little dimension to the skirt, especially for hourglass body type. Having more than just a straight line when it comes to skirts looks really great on this body type. So let's go try it on.
All right, how are you guys thinking this is looking on me? I honestly think that this skirt is super cute. I love high-waisted items. This is one of them, and almost everything that I got is high-waisted because it flatters my body the most.
Next, I have this ruched drawstring. I can't even say it. Drawstring satin midi skirt. This skirt right here looked amazing on the model, and so I had to pick it up. I love the detail of the ruching. The fabric I think is made of polyester. I got the size medium in this one, and it's in the color olive. So this is how the skirt fabric is looking. Of course, it's going to need to be ironed or steamed. Wow, so here's how the skirt looks. It feels very smooth on the skin. It's very flirty, and I like the body and movement it has. The ruching detail is great for like if you're full, it's not gonna show, well, it shows a little bit, but like it's not gonna show too much of your stomach because there's room for it to move in this skirt. And the reason why I have these boots is for people that have a lot of walking to do, like say you are on campus and you have miles that you need to walk for the day. These are great shoes that you can wear, and they can have more of a casual look to your outfits. I'll also show how this will look with heels. And they say Sew Me, so I'm assuming that's the company. They're these super cute strappy heels. I've been eyeing these for months, and I'm excited to try these on and see how they look with the skirt. So they came in this nice box, and I'm gonna take these out and place the packaging in the box. Let's see how these will work for the outfit. I think this brown shade is a nice neutral tone because I am brown, so I would prefer a brown heel for nude looks rather than tan.
First off, wow. When I put these on, they felt higher than I expected, but they're super comfortable, surprisingly. You never know what you're gonna get when you buy online, but I was pleasantly surprised. At first, I left the elastic because I wasn't sure about them, but I think these will be a winner in my closet. Because the heel is square and there's a lot of space on the bottom, they're quite easy. Like, I feel very balanced and I could walk in these all day. They're actually comfortable too. I really like these. The next outfit I'm going to be trying on is this faux leather ankle pant. So I also got these faux leather pants in ankle pants. They're in the color chestnut. These I got in a size medium as well. And they look high quality. The leather pleather doesn't look thin. It has a nice thickness to it, so it doesn't look cheap. And I'm excited to see how these are gonna look on me. One thing I found interesting is it has this courtesy kind of flap because they are zip up, so that's great. And then they also have this hook and eye once more, which is great for keeping it up. And it has this elastic in here, so it's gonna hold that shape around your waist. It almost feels like it's sucking me in. So these are how the back look. Do I like how these fit? Honestly, no. I feel like I could go up a size, but then they wouldn't have the right look. They're not the right cut, I don't think, to highlight my body in the way that I think it could be. So these aren't my favorite, and they also are super close to my skin tone. And I don't want to be walking down the street and somebody thinks I don't have any pants on. So I don't think that I'll be keeping these, but I do like the fabric. I do like that it's sturdy. It has a nice stretch to it. And overall, I think they're made pretty well. The next thing I have is this Ruched Surplice mini dress, and it's in the color blue. I got the size small. Depending on the dress or the item, I might get a medium, but it looked like it would fit nicely if it was a small. I love wrap dresses because they complement my shape more than any other style of dress. So I'm gonna go put that on and we're gonna talk more about it. Okay, so this dress is awesome. I would say yes to this dress. It is really nice on the body. The fabric is nice and thick. Okay, I had to go throw on the heels, and I think that this dress is gorgeous. It looks incredible on me, and I'm going to have to add this to my wardrobe. Okay, pause. Do you see how the strappy straps fell down my leg? I think that's because I didn't originally tie them tight enough. Luckily, these straps are stretchy. They have some elasticity to them, which means that they're going to be great for staying in place. And make sure you tie them tight enough, but not enough to cut off your circulation, unless that's your thing. Now we're going to get into this contrast seam midi crop top. It's a sweetheart neckline. And I think that this detailing on there is so pretty. It reminds me of the patchwork style that's like really popular right now. I wonder if that's in focus where you can see that. Okay, the exposure level was a little high, so I had to turn that down so you guys could see. And this is how the back is looking. It's so cute. I think this would look so good with the brown heels. This would look perfect with some high-waisted light blue jeans, those heels, or even knee-high black boots with this and some light blue jeans. Okay, I wasn't expecting this to be as fitted as it was. I feel like one of those Renaissance women that wear those corset dresses and then they have the plunging décolletage. I'm not going for that look, so I think this one will be a no. But I do like the cut of it. The princess neckline is beautiful. The shade of pink is just, I just love it so much. And I paired it with a blazer, maybe for a little more coverage, and to go with the winter theme because I am wearing boots. This would also look great with a skirt. Okay, so this next one has me hyped because when I saw this top, I was like, cutouts are totally in style. I have to try this out, and boom, look at this. So one thing to mention is if you're not wearing a half bra or a bra that has straps that are removable that can be crisscrossed to the front, the straps are going to show, and we can't have that. You need to have seamless elegance in all of your clothing. So just be mindful of that. The bra straps will show unless, you know, you pair with a blazer. Once again, this top though, I'm in love. I really want to keep this one. I think it would look great for maybe like brunch, going to a picnic, somewhere warm because there's the shoulders exposed. Okay, last but certainly not least, drum roll. We have a two-piece, not a one, but a two-piece outfit, and this crop top is what I'm super excited for because it's in what's trending right now, those wrap tops. And look at the color. It's looking stunning on me. Do you guys see that shimmery essence to it? I'm loving that as well. One thing that I'm not a fan of though is how like slippery the fabric is. It's not staying in place. So maybe a tip or a hack would be to use fashion tape to hold it down so your bra isn't showing because it's going to be moving as you're walking and whatnot. So that's something to keep in mind. The pants, I think they're cute, but they're extremely long. I'm 5'5", and without heels, they drag. And even when I put on the Forever 21 heels with 4 inches, the pants were still touching the ground. So if you're tall, these are great for you. I think the pants and the top are super cute, but for functionality and comfort, this one is not for me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to share any of your own hacks or tips. Don't forget to stay to watch the next video on my channel. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in and stay safe.